What up, everybody? Happy weekend. I am here at a massive card show. If you can see how many people here, there's like 900 tables here. We're just doing a little side hustle for the kiddos, showing them how to do it proper. Wanted to go through a quick weekly recap. We have some good, bad, and ugly here. Good stuff is we figured out what we were going to do for our very first experiment, so looking forward to showing you what that's all about coming up. Bad, realized how much AI is already having an impact on everything, so be interesting to see where that falls by the end of the next 2 years. We finish up these experiments. But the epic thing, I definitely figured out what we're going to do with those profits after these 90 days, so more to come on that, and more to come for our next video. Stay tuned. Trying a little bit something different here. One shot take, see how it goes. Do a little split testing on how these videos perform. So thank you to all 26 subscribers, and we'll talk to you this week. Bye.